PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning proudly provides reliable emergency HVAC services in Philadelphia County, PA, delivering fast, professional solutions when you need them most. Whether your heating system fails in the middle of winter or your air conditioning stops working during a summer heat wave, our experienced technicians are available to respond quickly and restore comfort to your home or business. Call our emergency HVAC service team if you have any questions. Are you looking for emergency HVAC service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning. What types of systems do you repair during emergencies? Emergency HVAC services cover furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, ductless mini splits, thermostats, and ventilation systems. Are emergency HVAC repairs more expensive? Emergency services may come with higher costs due to after-hours or urgent response, but pricing should always be explained upfront before work begins. What is your service area for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? Our emergency HVAC service has helped clients in Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthorne, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, Fair Hill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewery Town, Kensington, Nicetown, Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where is your emergency HVAC service in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 7708 City Avenue number 206, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Philadelphia-County.